Welcome to JavaScript Basic 2 Intermediate course. In this complete course we will learn all of these things, like variables, linking JavaScript file into HTML, data types, conversion between data type, loops, function, arrow function, array, object, array method, document object model, date and time and more. Importance of JavaScript. According to the Stack Overflow 2021 Developer Survey, JavaScript is most commonly used programming language. You can create almost anything with JavaScript, such as add functionality on your web page, backend application, robotics, desktop application, mobile application and more. In this course we will learn JavaScript syntax and adding functionality on web page. This course is for those people who want to become a web developer or designer, or who want to learn basic of JavaScript. And you can learn also as your first programming language because JavaScript is easy to learn. Okay, if you learn JavaScript with me, then save this playlist by clicking this card and click on playlist and then save playlist. Thanks for watching. See you in next video where we introducing JavaScript.